where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame. As you can see, Nifty has taken a support and it looks like a relief rally. This could very well be a dead cat bounce. We are not sure right now. These are the fair value gaps that we hit on, and this is a yesterday we had said that this is a huge zone of buy side liquidity, and this level is a sell side liquidity, and it's just a fight between these two. Wherever fresh orders come in, that will take over. If it's buy side, then it tends to eat into this liquidity again and fly up. If it's sell side, then it eats all this liquidity and falls. So right now it looks like a relief rally. It could very well be a dead cat bounce. We have to see in the days to come. Um, for the time being, let's delete all the analysis from the previous days and start afresh. For first timers, what we do here is we try to find a bias on the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour and 1-hour biases. Input here manually. This is an indicator that I am testing. So that's and whenever there's a mismatch between the two, I just go and try to edit the code. So this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. There is no bias on Nifty right now. Nothing that I can read from the chart. So why do I say there's no bias? For a bullish bias, I will need a higher low to be formed. You see, this is a low. This is a higher low. That was invalidated in March. So right now, this level is where the sellers are. And for a bearish bias, I'll need a lower high. It's like this is a high and this is a lower high. So none of this exists right now. So there's nothing I can read into it. I just know that the sellers are right here. I'll need a thicker line that should be marked in red, and the buyers that I know of are right here on a monthly time frame. So when I say the buyers are right here, I'm not saying there's no buying happening here. It's just that I will need a lower, a swing high or a swing low to be formed, or a fair value gap or an order block to be formed for me to guess an important level of buyers or sellers. Right now, this is what I have. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, things are interesting. The bias is bearish because this is a swing high and this is a low swing high. This is another in the formation is being formed. I can fix this as a swing low only if tomorrow's candle does not take this high or this high. So till then, I have this swing high to consider and this swing high to consider. So this is a lower high. Now, where are the buyers and where are the sellers? The sellers are right on top of this high right now, and the buyers are right here. So let us just go and mark it. Buyers are here with a thinner line. Sellers are here with a red thinner line. On top of that, we have a fair value gap. That's a bullish fair value gap, should be in green. And Nifty weekly candle is taking support in that fair value gap. Nothing else I can think of right now. So moving on to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, yesterday was not sure. What about today? It is not sure because this is swing low, this is a higher low, and that was invalidated. This is a swing high, that's a swing high. Doesn't mean anything. I need a lower high. And there are a few fair value gaps that are formed here. Of this, I think this one was where Nifty stung into today, and it was sold off. And it's a bearish fair value gap that needs to be back marked in red. Nifty stung into it today and was sold off. We will have to see what happens tomorrow. Now, inside this fair value gap, there is a swing low. That is a point of liquidity. Nifty did not quite reach there. Well, I'll just keep it marked with a still thinner line. And if Nifty decides to go down, then, well, yes, this is the area of buyers, so I don't have to mark it again. The bias is not sure. Going to the 4-hour time frame, on a 4-hour time frame, has Nifty become bullish? No. Has Nifty uh, this was a swing low. That swing low was taken today, and therefore on a 4-hour too, it has become not sure. I do not have lower highs formed. Lower highs were formed, but that was invalidated. Or higher lows formed, nothing. So that's not sure. Coming to the hourly time frame, on an hourly time frame, Nifty, yes, it was bearish yesterday, but here you see this is a swing low. This is a higher low. This is a still, is it a higher low there? That's not a higher low. So this is a swing low and this is a higher low. So on hourly time frame, it looks brilliant. It is bullish. And there is a fair value gap here. I don't want to mark it right now because I don't know if the smaller time frames are, or biases on the smaller time frames are really valid, because it's the bigger geopolitical events that are influencing the price of Nifty. This rally, what we see here, is on the back of the hopes of resolution of the Strait of Hormuz issue, the meeting between the Chinese and US team, but some speculative, reasonably better news than the previous day. So that's just looks like a relief rally to me. Don't read much into it until there's follow-up buying coming in the market. That's it from my side. I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.